Fridge making strange noises. A refrigerator that is making strange noises can be a sign of a problem. Here are some common reasons why a fridge might make unusual noises. Fan noise. If you hear a constant humming or buzzing noise, it's likely coming from the fan. The fan helps to circulate cool air throughout the refrigerator, and a damaged or worn fan blade could be causing the noise. Compressor noise. The compressor is responsible for pumping refrigerant through the system and maintaining the correct temperature inside the fridge. If you hear a loud humming or buzzing noise, the compressor may be struggling to keep up with demand, or it could be damaged. See link for full video in the description below.